Atlantiques Gallery brings to you a professionally restored and framed artwork, St. John the Baptist. Jan Cossiers, oil on canvas, mid-17th century. Baroque light, expressive modeling, and focused devotional intensity. See more at atlantiques.co.uk. Its appeal is devotional and dramatic, with a subject giving the work emotional gravity and a clear art historical identity. Look closely at the full composition, then at the details: Baroque light, expressive devotional focus, restored surface clarity. These are the qualities that give the painting its wall presence and collector appeal. The catalogue notes strengthen the story of the piece, connecting its composition, subject and visual language with related works and the tradition behind it. Its restoration adds to the sense of care around the object, bringing the surface, color, and presentation into a condition that invites confident inspection. The framed presentation matters. Oil on canvas is offered as a complete object, with condition, frame, and visual presence all contributing to its appeal. For a collector, this is an opportunity to acquire a visually strong, professionally presented artwork with character, documentation, and a clear route to inquiry. Visit atlantiques.co.uk, review the artwork page, and contact Atlantiques Gallery to request information or make an offer.